He's 10, but he has mouth odor. He's 10, but he has female bestie.
No.
He's 10, but he's very short.
Hi.
Come on. There's no way I'll do it.
He's 10, but he's rude.
No problem.
You like the rhyme I added?
No,
He's 10, he's a mama's boy.
I don't mind.
Oh yeah, nah, mother. He's 10, but he's a smoker.
I can send him. No.
Oh, Gagadette. He's 10, but he's very stingy. He don't like giving out cash. He's 10, but he is ugly.
Oh, yeah, like ugly.
He's 10, but he's introvert.
Yeah, I like introverted. We love them.